Have you ever looked at a great photograph and wondered why it feels so balanced, powerful, or pleasing to the eye? The secret is often composition. In this video, we'll explore the techniques photographers use to guide attention and create stronger images. Rule of thirds. One of the most widely used composition techniques, the rule of thirds divides a frame into 9 equal sections using 2 horizontal and 2 vertical lines. The idea comes from traditional art and design principles that discovered images often feel more natural when important subjects are placed away from the center. By positioning a subject along one of these lines or at an intersection point, photographers can create a sense of balance while still keeping the image visually interesting. It is often one of the first composition techniques beginners learn because it works in almost every type of photography. Leading lines. Leading lines use natural or man-made lines within a scene to guide the viewer's eye toward the main subject. Roads, fences, rivers, railways, and even shadows can serve this purpose. Artists and photographers have used directional lines for centuries because the human eye naturally follows them. Unlike the rule of thirds, which focuses on subject placement, leading lines focus on visual movement through the frame. When used effectively, they create depth and help viewers explore the image exactly as the photographer intended. Framing. Framing involves surrounding the main subject with elements already present in the scene. Doorways, windows, tree branches, arches, and even people can act as frames. This technique has roots in classical painting, where artists used borders and architectural features to draw attention to important subjects. Framing separates the subject from the background and adds context to the scene. It can also create a stronger sense of depth, making photographs feel more immersive. Symmetry. Symmetry occurs when both sides of an image mirror each other or appear visually balanced. Humans naturally notice symmetry because it often appears in nature, architecture, and even the human face. While many composition techniques encourage off-center placement, symmetry often works best with a centered subject. The result can feel calm, organized, and visually satisfying. Reflections in water are a common example, creating powerful images with a strong sense of balance. Patterns. Patterns are repeating shapes, colors, textures, or objects within a photograph. They appear everywhere, from rows of windows on a building to sand on a beach. Our brains are naturally drawn to repetition because it creates order and predictability. Photographers often use patterns to create visually striking images, but an image can become even stronger when the pattern is interrupted by something different. That contrast immediately attracts attention and creates a clear focal point. Depth. Depth is the technique of making a two-dimensional photograph feel three-dimensional. Since photographs are flat, photographers use visual clues to create a sense of distance. Foreground, middle ground, and background elements help achieve this effect. Renaissance artists developed many of these visual principles long before photography existed. In photography, depth helps viewers feel as though they are inside the scene rather than simply looking at a flat image. Negative space. Negative space refers to the empty area surrounding the main subject. While many beginners try to fill every part of the frame, experienced photographers often do the opposite. This concept comes from graphic design and minimalist art, where empty space is used intentionally to create emphasis. Negative space gives the subject room to breathe and often creates a stronger emotional impact. It can make an image feel simple, elegant, and uncluttered. Fill the frame. Fill the frame involves moving closer to the subject or zooming in so that the subject occupies most of the image. This technique became especially popular in portrait and wildlife photography, where details and emotions are important. By removing unnecessary background distractions, viewers focus entirely on the subject. The result is often more intimate and engaging because attention is concentrated on the most important part of the scene. Golden ratio. The golden ratio is a composition principle that has been used in art, architecture, and design for centuries. It is based on a mathematical relationship that appears naturally throughout the world. In photography, the golden ratio often appears as a spiral that guides the viewer's eye through the image toward the main subject. While it is more complex than the rule of thirds, many photographers use it to create images that feel naturally balanced and visually pleasing. Perspective. Perspective changes the way a subject appears by altering the camera's position. Photographing from a high angle, a low angle, or an unusual viewpoint can completely transform an image. This technique became increasingly important as photographers explored creative storytelling beyond simple documentation. Perspective allows photographers to reveal details, emphasize scale, and create images that feel unique. Sometimes a small change in camera position can make a dramatic difference. If you want to understand photography faster, subscribe because I'm creating simple videos explaining every part of photography and camera gear.